Start with solar pros. Homeowners with solar power have significant financial savings over their previous utility bills. Solar panel installations are sized to offset all or a significant portion of your home's energy needs. This gives you independence from increases and uncertainty in future energy prices. Some months, your panels may produce more power than you need. When this happens, your utility company will credit you for the additional energy your home has generated. If you have extra credits left over at the end of the year, your utility company will pay you for those credits. As solar has become more mainstream, there have been significant advances in the types of financing options available. This has helped open up the solar market to virtually all homeowners, including options with zero money down for some types of installations. In addition, there are significant federal, state, and local incentives and rebates to further decrease the price of installation. Power from the sun is available everywhere. The sun shines every day, and homes in all climates can benefit from solar installations. A common misconception is that you must live in a very sunny area for solar power to be effective. However, cloudy regions, particularly those with high energy bills, can realize significant energy savings with solar panels. Producing the energy for your home with power from the sun is a clean, sustainable source of electricity. There is no air or water pollution associated with the production of energy from solar panels. We can feel comforted by the fact that switching to solar is beneficial for the environment and will help us preserve our resources for generations to come. Solar power is free and cannot be owned by any company. This may be one of the biggest benefits because once you have solar panels, there's nothing to stop you from harnessing the sun's abundant energy. As an infinite resource, we will never have to worry about a dwindling supply or shortages. The sun will be here for thousands of years. The sun is also an extremely reliable energy source. It will rise every day. Sure, some days are cloudier than others, but with the enormous advances in solar power technology, our panels today can still produce significant electricity under cloudy skies. And once those clouds clear, we can rest assured that the sun will still be there. Installation of solar panels. Over the past few years, the installation of residential solar panels has been tweaked and perfected into a science. In the past, solar panel installations could take up to a couple of weeks. However, new tools and processes have cut the installation time down to just a couple of hours. Imagine being able to produce your own electricity by lunchtime. Decreased installation time means you also save on parts and labor costs. Solar panels are built to last for decades. They're engineered to withstand hurricane-strength winds, hail, and snowstorms. Panel maintenance is essentially non-existent. You don't need to worry about cleaning your panels or scraping off snow. The panels are installed at an angle to allow any buildup to slide off, giving you more time to spend on more important things. Solar panel placement. Most homeowners today that have solar panels have a rooftop installation. This placement is not only convenient for hooking panels up to your home's electrical wires, but it also saves you precious yard space. Solar panels protect your roof from weathering and can help keep your home cool as a result of the shade provided by the panels. Harnessing the sun's energy to power our homes and businesses will drastically decrease our demand on finite fossil fuel resources. This is great news for our wallets, our communities, and our environment. By taking advantage of this clean, renewable resource, we can separate ourselves from some of the costs and uncertainty of today's fossil fuel markets.